Otamula mwetogo. Una na wate togo nuo. Na wate togo. Na nwa balongo no togo nuo. Na wate togo. Asimunu na wate togo nuo. Na wate togo. Na nwa balongo no togo nuo. Na wate togo.
See me, you know that they hail me. Jizzy in the building, Jizzy in the building. You know we'll be balling, Jizzy in the building. I go by the name Jizzy in the building. Oh yeah, and my people see me, you know that they know me. You know that we're balling, it's Jizzy in the building. Oh my G, how you doing?
You with this your padlock, I don't understand you. Sometimes I don't understand you.
Boy, man, I go by the name Don Jizzy Blinky in the building. Boy, you know how they know me. I'm just balling, man.
Yeah,
how you doing,
I don't understand with all these things, though. You see, in this case, we have to go and meet Princess Zoo.
Princess Zoo, no problem now. Let's go and see Princess Zoo. It's my G. Jizzy Blinky, you know balling.
Bogu koma nna nna ya etinye ya n'akwụkwọ ka nwata weta mmụta ọ bụrụ na nwata agụsị akwụkwọ nwata ga-agaba ọrụ oyibo nwata ga-agbaba mbọ ka ị mara Chukwu okike nyere ya o wee bute ike n'obodo.
See Princess Zoo, Princess Zoo, my man. My man, what's up, bro? Princess Zoo, what's going on, my dog? What's going on? What's going on?
He's disturbing me again now.
It's Jizzy Blinky in the building. How you doing? Why you dancing all here by yourself? What's going on? You win money in the bank? My man, you win money?
Ask him.
It's crazy, man. Why you dancing all here by yourself?
Wait. Is it the reason why you left your house and come outside the state here and started dancing?
Jeez.
What is going on? Talk to us. What is going on?
Crazy,
see,
man.
It's like you people are new in this town.
Okay.
Because you don't know what is actually going on.
Tell us about that, bro.
You see me dancing?
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm practicing the dance. I will dance on April 11.
Oh my God.
See.
Oh my God. What's going on in April 11?
Do you know Miri Marugo?
No. Who is he?
Miri Marugo, One Nation.
Alright.
Who is Prince Ekene Igbo.
Alright.
Now, he's from Amoka.
Oh my God, that's cool.
Amoka, that's where he came from. Under Ihia local government area in Anambra State. He had been in India. And I love him because he's always come home every year. He's coming back in fullness.
Wow. Oh my God, that's cool.
To come and do his Thanksgiving.
Alright.
Because every year he normally comes back for his Thanksgiving.
Alright.
The last Thanksgiving he did, he used 5 fat cows. Even the Ukochukwu,
oh my God,
is surprised.
Oh my God, that's crazy, man. Like you guys, you've massacred 5 cows.
Now he's coming back again.
Alright.
To celebrate another Thanksgiving.
Alright.
Now Miri Marugo, One Nation.
Alright.
When you see this person I'm talking about, you will confirm.
Oh my God. That shocked me, man.
This pass you, man.
That shocked my kids. Is that why you're dancing?
Yes, so because I need to practice my dance. The dance I will dance that day. I need to practice it so that I will not even waste time. Because me, even the music I'm dancing now, is the one that released the job. He's a musician.
Onye butike ọbụla odogwu ụmụnne m, onye butike ọbụla odogwu n'obodo anyị. Onye butike ọbụla odogwu ụmụnne m, onye butike ọbụla odogwu n'obodo anyị. Ndị ike nọ n'ọgbọ, ịbala akụ elisi, Chukwu gọzie unu, unu ga-adị. ụmụnna wozu akụ.
He's a musician. He's not just another musician, though. He plays everywhere. He has been in different countries, performing and playing. Anything he wants him to do, both a dedication, both a wedding, anything. Are you getting it? So, Mary Marugo, one next year, he's coming back full on April 11th, and he's doing his Thanksgiving for St. Augustine Anglican Church, Anambra State. See people there.
Ugo ebe n'aja. Ugo gidigbam gidigbam. Asị m ugo ebe n'aja. Ugo gidigbam gidigbam. Nwoke nwere obiọma. Nwa Chukwu nyere ego. Asị m Chukwu gọzie gị. Ugo gidigbam gidigbam. Mụnwa bụ ọmalịcha. Mmiri mara ugo na Amọka. Na-ekwusị. Igbo nwere ihe niile dị mma n'elu ụwa. Abịa n'ala Igbo, ha na-agụ akwụkwọ, ha na-achụ ego ọfụma, ma na-akpata ya bụ ego. Igbo na-aga ọrụ oyibo ọfụma. Ya nwere akụkọ ngakọrọ unu n'elu ụwa. Aga m akọrọ unu maka akụ ugo. Ihe o ji bụrụ na akụ ugo adịghị awa ụwa. Ọ dị ụmụ anụmanụ Chukwu okike kere. A na-akpọ ụmụ nnụnụ.